Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic linear equations in two variables, chapter 4. In the lower classes, you have studied linear equations. Can you give an example for a linear equation? Here I have written one equation 2x equal to 6. This is a linear equation because x is the variable here. The power of the variable here is 1. So this is a linear equation. The value of x here is 3 because 2 into 3 equal to 6. So this is the linear equation in one variables. In this chapter we are going to discuss linear equations in two variables. Any equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0, is called linear equations in two variables. I will explain it with the help of the example 2x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. So this is a linear equation in two variables. This is linear because the power of the variable x and the power of the variable y both are 1. So it is linear equation. This is linear equation in two variables because here we used two variables x and y. The coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is 7. These coefficients cannot be 0. So 2x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. So the general form of a linear equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0, is called a linear equation in two variables. So here a equal to 2, b equal to 7, c equal to 5. Another example 4x minus 5y plus 6 equal to 0. Here a equal to 4, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 6. Let us discuss the question. Write each of the following equations in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c. There are given four equations that we have to write in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and you have to write down what is a, what is b, what is c. First question 2x plus 3y equal to 4.37. Here our c is in the right side. Take that also to left side. So how can we write? We can write it as 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to minus 4.37. Next question, x minus 4 equal to root 3y. Here the second term means the number with y is in the right side. We can take it to left side. The first is ax, second term is by, third term is c. Keep in that order. So we can write it as x minus root 3y minus 4 equal to 0. This plus root 3y we took to left side, it became minus root 3y. Now we have to write down what is a, what is b, what is c. Here you can see it is starting with the x. There is no number here. So we can say a equal to 1. You don't write x here. Here a equal to 1 only. Only the number you write down here. X is the variable. Then b equal to minus root 3. C equal to minus 4. Third question, 4 equal to 5x minus 3y. Now our both variables are in the right side, so we can take this 4 also to right side. This is plus 4 here. If we take to right side, it is becoming minus 4. So we can write 5x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. A equal to 5, B equal to minus 3, C equal to minus 4. Next question is 2x equal to y. Here x term is here, y term is here, constant term c is missing. There we can write 0. So take this y part also to left side. We can write it as 2x minus y plus 0 equal to 0. Here third term is 0. It is missing, so we kept there 0. So we can write a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 0. Next question, write each of the following as an equation in two variables. An equation in two variables is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So first question, x equal to minus 5. Here the ax term is here, c also here, by is missing. So there you have to write down 0y. So let us see how we can write this x equal to minus 5 in the form of linear equation in two variables. So we can write it as x plus 0y plus 5 equal to 0. This minus 5 is taken to left side. It became plus 5. Y was missing. There we wrote plus 0y. Okay. Next question, y equal to 2. Here you can see the number with variable x is missing. So there you have to write down 0. So let us see how can we write it. We can write it as 0x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Next 2x equal to 3. Here the term with y is missing. Okay, we can write it. We can write it as 2x plus 0y minus 3 equal to 0. Next question, 5y equal to 2. Here the term with the x is missing. So the answer is 0x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. Next question, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. So there is discussing about two things. First one is cost of the notebook. Second one is cost of the pen. So one you can take as x and the other one we can take as y. And there is a connection between these two. The cost of the notebook is twice of the cost of the pen. Twice means 2 times. 2 into multiply with 2. So cost of the notebook is twice the cost of the pen. So let us consider x be the cost of notebook and y be the cost of pen. Anything you can take as cost of notebook and cost of pen, any variable. Here I have taken x is the cost of notebook, y is the cost of pen. So according to the condition, what we can write? The cost of the notebook, that is x is 2 times cost of pen. X is 2 times of y. So we can write x equal to 2y. Cost of notebook is 2 times cost of pen. So let us change this in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we can write the equation is x minus 2y plus 0 equal to 0. Or we can write x minus 2y equal to 0. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.